What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Tuesday. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we are sitting at 1,227, up about 3.9 on the day, starting to bounce from our pullback zone that we dropped in the Discord. Definitely recommend signing up to the Discord. If I don't post a video on a certain coin that I cover usually, the analysis will be in the Discord at 10 USD per month. We're seeing a market cap of 148 billion, 24-hour volume 7.92 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up to $30,000 in bonuses. And once you make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So quick look at Ethereum here. This is the 1 hour time frame. So we talked about potentially this being the wave 3 and starting to push up in a wave 4 in an ABC. We're looking at an ending diagonal, which consists of 3 wave moves. And in a wave C is 5 waves. So we've come up in a wave 1. We had a wave 2 pullback that came down to the 0.5, which is a usual pullback level on the Fibonacci for a wave 2. And we started to bounce. So if we can see continuation here, that's when we can push up in the wave 3. So if you want to measure that wave 3, take your trend-based Fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2, and you would target the 1.618 extension. It can stop at the 1.382, but a normal target is the 1.618. Will drop in a yellow box, currently sitting at about 1431. So that's your wave 3 target. See wave 4 pullback, final wave 5. Put in the wave 4, come down for that final wave 5. So we might not come all the way down to the $500 to $600 range. Depending on how high we push in this wave 4, we may just come down to that $700 to $800 range that we've also been covering here on the channel. So far so good. If we were to roll over and start to break this low, then there's potential that the wave 2 pullback isn't complete yet. But if we were to come all the way down and break 1079, then we'd have to focus on the previous bearish count. But as of right now, it does look like we may see a push to the upside in the short term before seeing continuation down. If we zoom out, you can see it right here. All we're doing is creating higher lows. It works in waves, lower highs and lower lows. So we have a low, we have a high, we have a lower low, we have a slightly lower high, and we have a lower low. We push up, create a lower high, we come down, create a lower low. Typical downtrend, some basic technical analysis for all my newbies. So we'll pop over to our next chart. We were watching this inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, let me just open it up here or make it full screen. So we thought this may be the right shoulder, but as you can see, we faked out, we broke back under. So what you can look at is this is the right shoulder right here. And once again, we've broken the neckline. So our technical target is all the way up here at 1362, starting to get back above the point of control, back above the EMAs on the 4 hour. So if you can hold that, then you're going to push up to that next level of resistance, which is currently sitting at about 1283 for the price of Ethereum. So here's the daily time frame. As you can see on the daily, we talked about a bullish divergence, basically an equal low here while creating a higher low, and money was flowing back in. So we have a few different signals that we could definitely see a push up to that resistance of this channel here. This is just a descending channel, but you can also see it as descending broadening wedge. Get rejected and see continuation to the downside. All right, gang, that's pretty much it for this little update here on ETH. Hope you appreciated it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to Bybit, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit, and then you can email me or sign up email. All links in the comments and the description. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And if you sign up through the Patreon link, $10 a month, early access to my analysis, which can definitely help you with your trading, as well as my trade signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. And yeah, all links in the comments. That's it for this one. See you in the next one. Much love and take care. Peace out.